In this video, I'll introduce Google Analytics and basically what it does. It provides you with a better understanding of your users. You're able to track how many visitors you have on a daily basis and where those visitors are coming from, their geography, and so forth. So to get started, just want to log into your Google Analytics account here, or log into your Google account, and then just access your Google Analytics account. Just click on the access there and you should be inside your Google Analytics home. And so let's take a look at our website here. Let's take a look at this particular site, Scratch Programming. Now if I click on all website data, I can get some idea of who's visiting my site and how often they're doing it and from where. So you can see here for this particular site, scratchprogramming.org, on Wednesday the 5th I had 82 visits. Here I had 98 visits, and so forth. You can see kind of the graph goes across the screen here, and you have other options here, month, week, and you can also compare it against different metrics. And you can, on the left here, you can have an idea of your audience, demographics, interests, and technology, what browsers they're using. And just to get an idea of where it's coming from, you can check the geography and the location. And if we just scroll down here, and you can see, you get an idea which countries your visits are coming from. So 45% of my visitors for this particular site came from the States, 22% from United Kingdom, which makes sense because this my particular website is about Scratch programming, which is popular in these two countries, quite popular in these two countries. So that's and you can even break this down even further. Click on Canada here, and it'll break it down into provinces. And you can see Ontario uses that website the most, 44%, Manitoba 12%, Quebec 11%. So there's a lot of interesting things you can look at, and I'll just let you kind of explore and play around with all the different options. But you'll get a good idea of what kind of traffic you're getting to your website and whether you need to improve your traffic. So that's it for Google Analytics. So remember, all you have to do is, once I set up the account for you, then all you have to do is log into Google Analytics with your Google account, and you should be able to see your website there.